Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at this Leatherman Skeletool CX Onyx edition. So Leatherman has had this for a while, but it's only now that I was able to get my hands on it. So it comes in this Leatherman box. Typical. So let's just open it. Slide it out. And we have the manual here. Warranty information. And then instructions. Nothing under. So here it is, the Leatherman Skeletool CX. It's got bronze washers, at least for the knife. So the idea of this tool is really minimalism. And we have these holes, not just for the aesthetic, but also to somewhat lighten the weight. So you also have this clip, which is rather thin, but I think it's pretty strong. It's held together by these torque screws, but there's also a lot of riveting going on here. So we have the one-hand opening blade, and it's 154 cm, so that's reasonably good steel, I suppose. And it's got this long belly, plain edge, so it should be easier to sharpen compared to the serrated edge versions. And then to unlock, you just press the liner lock here. And then you have the pliers. So it's a little bit stiff. But here we have the pliers. So it's a bit of a smaller head compared to the regular Leathermans. So you have the long nose, the bolt gripper, the wire cutter, both soft and hard wires. So it's a little bit stiff. I think it's because the black oxide actually thickens things a little bit. But it should loosen with use and age. At the end of the handle, we have a bit driver, so it's locking. So you need to press this button here to release the bit. And we have two Phillips head. So a number 1 and a number 2. So it's locked in tight. And then to use the bit driver, you just fold it in, and then you can use it. Or you can also fold it the other way around. The handle design is pretty interesting because it's not the usual straight handle from Leatherman. It seems to be quite comfortable. Not as comfortable as the Swiss Tool Spirit X, but definitely better than the multi-tools with straight handles. The problem here though is the bit actually digs into the palm when you're using it. And then we have a bit holder here for a spare bit, and this one are the flat heads. So we have a 1/4 and a 3/16. And then we have the carabiner here for attaching to your belt or your gear, which is also the bottle opener. So you just put the bottle cap here and then pop it out. So overall, it's a nice and compact tool which has just about the absolute minimum of what you need. So here it is beside my power pint. It's a little bit wider and taller, and just about the same thickness. So I'll be doing a more comprehensive comparison of these two. So stay tuned for that, and maybe subscribe and set that notification bell. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Leatherman Skeletool CX. It's a nice minimalist tool, and the quality is pretty good. I look forward to comparing it to my power pint in more detail, but right now I'm really liking it. Thank you for watching.